All right, my Egyptian goddesses, I'm going to show you a real quick video on how to do the Egyptian makeup. So just start with your normal stage makeup. You just got to do foundation and powder to start off with, okay? Real fast with this. Left. And if you prefer to do your eyeshadow first, you can do that. I'm just doing this to make it quick. Normally I would do eyeshadow first and then do all of the foundation. So I'll be back with a full face of foundation and powder. The eyebrows are just literally straight across. So I know some of you girls are gonna have a little bit thicker eyebrows. So if you wanna cover them in foundation first, it might actually help. So just take any like a black cream or a black eyeshadow and then just make the eyebrow shape that you saw in the makeup plot. And it's okay if you can still see your eyebrow a little bit underneath it, because on stage everything is going to look a little different. Alright, so there's both of them. Remember, eyebrows are sisters and not twins, so if they're a little uneven, it's okay. You're going to be moving around on stage. Nobody's going to be able to actually tell if they're even or not. Just as long as you get something similar to this basic shape. So next we're going to do gold eyeshadow from the crease in your lids all the way up. Your lid is going to be blue, so just find a bright blue eyeshadow and put that on top of your lid. It also helps to push the eyeshadow in rather than sweeping it. It helps with fallout so it doesn't get all on your cheek and the rest of your face. Okay, so take that same gold and just put it in the corner, inside corner of your eye. And be careful not to get glitter in your eye, because I definitely just did that and it doesn't feel very good. Awesome. Take your black eyeliner, or if you just have black eyeshadow, it doesn't matter. Just get a little angled brush. We're going to do eyeliner on the top of the line to come out to a blunt edge. Just make sure that it's absolutely horizontal. You don't want it to go up or down. Just right from the corner of your eye, just do a straight line out. You want to do it kind of thick as well, and then just kind of square it off on the end. The top eyeliner, just make sure that it goes to kind of a point on the inside of the eye. And then you can bring the rest of the eyeliner underneath your eye as well. So kind of similar how this one goes to a point, you want the bottom one to go to a point as well. Alright, and then there's a little design that comes down the corner of the eyes as well, once you have both your eyes pretty much like this. Hopefully better. So it's just a straight down line. Opening your mouth helps a lot. And you can use liquid eyeliner if you're more comfortable with a liquid eyeliner rather than using a brush and pot. Whatever works for you. The pins with the felt tip eyeliner are usually pretty helpful for little designs like this. Okay, and then you want to do a little bit of a light contour just down your cheekbones. Don't want any harsh lines with it, so make sure that it's blended out. I'm going to make mine a little bit darker because I think the lighting here is kind of making me whiter. So Just make sure that it's visible. So if you get it too dark or you feel like it's too blunt of a line, just get a clean like powder brush and just kind of blend it out from there. This part you should probably already have for when you're playing the wife, but just in case you don't have it or it gets wiped off or whatever, this is how you do it. And it doesn't have to be this kind of brush. You can get any sort of, even a fluffy brush, just whatever works for you. So I feel like mine's a little bit too much of a straight line, so I'm just taking a clean fluffy brush and diffusing it a little bit. Okay, we just pop some blush on the apples of your cheeks if you don't already have it. Remember, you're on stage under lights, so go just a little heavier than you normally would with blush. Alright, for the lip, the top lip is going to be just a natural lip, so you don't want something that's going to fade out. And again, your makeup for when you're playing the wife, the lipstick for that should be totally fine to keep on the top lip. It's just the bottom lip that's going to change. Alright, get that same blue eyeshadow that you have on your eyes, and you can actually just throw it on your lip for the line. Just straight down the middle. If you have a blue eyeliner, that'll work as well, just if you're trying to use as minimal makeup as you possibly can, this works just fine. Okay, and then just finish off the lip with the same gold that you have as well. Just try really hard not to lick your lips because it's gross once it gets in your mouth.